In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up taxes and duties on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the right settings, how to make sure your store's details are correct, and how to configure tax collection for the regions where you sell. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. Once you're on the admin dashboard, look to the bottom left corner and click the gear icon for settings. Everything we need lives there, so it's the easiest jumping off point. Inside settings, select taxes and duties. This page is your control center for sales taxes, value added taxes, and if you sell internationally, duties and import taxes. You'll see sections for your locations, registrations, and calculation preferences, along with options related to international duties if you use Shopify markets. Before you adjust rates, confirm your store's location details. Tax rules often depend on where you're based and where you ship from, so accuracy matters. Make sure your store address reflects your primary business location and that your shipping origin is correct if you fulfill orders from a specific warehouse. If you operate multiple locations, identify the one that typically ships orders, as this can influence how tax is calculated. Keeping this consistent helps prevent incorrect rates at checkout. Now set up taxes for your selling region. In the taxes and duties page, choose the market or country where you collect tax and open its settings. If you're registered to collect tax in that region, add your registration details such as a VAT, GST or sales tax number and save. Shopify can automatically calculate rates based on local rules, but it needs those registration entries to apply them properly. Decide whether your prices should include tax or show tax at checkout. Many European stores include VAT in prices, while others show it separately. Also review whether tax should be calculated based on the customer's shipping address, which is the standard in most places. For product level accuracy, assign product tax categories where available. Categories help Shopify apply the correct rate for items that are taxed differently, like apparel, books, or digital goods. If you have items that are tax exempt or taxed at a reduced rate, set overrides only where necessary to avoid conflicts. If you sell internationally, look for the duties and import taxes section. When eligible, you can enable collection of duties at checkout so customers see landed costs up front. For best results, ensure your products include HS codes and country of origin, which improve duty estimates. Once everything looks good, save your changes and test a checkout with a sample address from each region you serve. Keep your registrations up to date and consider consulting a tax professional for region-specific guidance.